Hey there, sewing enthusiasts and DIY lovers. Are you tired of lugging around a bulky sewing machine for quick fixes? Ever wished you could mend that torn seam or hem a pair of pants on the go? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into the world of handheld sewing machines. These nifty little devices are revolutionizing the way we approach quick sewing tasks. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the best one? Don't worry, I've got you covered. I've personally tested and reviewed the top 7 handheld sewing machines on the market, and I'm here to share my findings with you. So, let's thread our needles and stitch our way through this comprehensive guide. Starting our countdown at number 7, we have the Singer Stitch Sew Quick Portable Mending Machine. As someone has been using Singer products for years, I was excited to try out their handheld offering. This compact device is designed for quick repairs and on-the-spot mending, making it a great addition to any sewing kit. The Singer Stitch Sew Quick is incredibly lightweight, weighing in at just 9.6 ounces. This makes it perfect for travel or keeping in your bag for emergencies. It's battery operated, requiring 4 batteries, which means you can use it anywhere without worrying about finding a power outlet. One of the standout features of this machine is its simplicity. It's designed with beginners in mind, featuring a single thread design that's easy to set up and use. I found the threading process to be straightforward, even for someone who might be new to sewing. In terms of performance, the Singer Stitch Sew Quick does a decent job for basic mending tasks. It handles light to medium weight fabrics well, making it suitable for repairing clothes, hemming pants, or even creating simple craft projects. However, I did notice that it struggles a bit with thicker materials, so it might not be the best choice for heavy-duty tasks. While it's not the most versatile machine on our list, the Singer Stitch Sew Quick is a reliable option for those looking for a basic, no-frills handheld sewing machine. Its affordability and ease of use make it a good choice for beginners or those who only need occasional mending capabilities. Coming in at number 6 on our list is the Bic Handheld Sewing Machine. This compact device caught my eye with its sleek design and promise of automatic sewing capabilities. After putting it through its paces, I can say it's a solid choice for beginners and those looking for a portable sewing solution. The Bic Handheld Sewing Machine boasts a user-friendly design that I found quite appealing. It's lightweight and ergonomically shaped, making it comfortable to hold and maneuver during use. The machine comes with a variety of accessories, including bobbins, needles, and a threader, which I appreciated as it meant I could start sewing right out of the box. One of the standout features of this machine is its automatic function. With just a press of a button, it can start sewing, which is great for those who might be intimidated by traditional sewing machines. I found this feature particularly useful for straight seams and quick repairs. In terms of performance, the Bic Handheld Sewing Machine handles light to medium weight fabrics well. I tested it on cotton, linen, and even some lightweight denim, and it produced consistent stitches. However, like many handheld machines, it struggled with thicker materials, so I wouldn't recommend it for heavy-duty projects. The battery life of this machine is impressive. It's powered by 4 batteries, and during my testing, it ran for several hours before needing a replacement. This makes it a great option for travel or outdoor use, where you might not have access to power outlets. While the Bic Handheld Sewing Machine is a capable device, it does have some limitations. The stitch length and width are not adjustable, which might be a drawback for more experienced sewers looking for versatility. Taking the 5th spot on our list is the Hallmark Handheld Sewing Machine. This little device caught my attention with its promise of being suitable for both beginners and emergency repairs. After spending some time with it, I can say it lives up to many of its claims. The Hallmark Handheld Sewing Machine is compact and lightweight, making it easy to store in a drawer or toss in a bag for on-the-go repairs. It's battery operated, requiring 4 batteries, which gives you the flexibility to use it anywhere. I found this particularly useful when I needed to make a quick repair while traveling. One of the things I appreciated about this machine is its versatility. It comes with 2 speed options, low and high, allowing you to adjust based on your skill level or the complexity of the task at hand. The low speed is great for beginners or intricate work, while the high speed is perfect for more experienced users or longer seams. In terms of performance, the Hallmark Handheld Sewing Machine handles a variety of fabrics quite well. I tested it on cotton, silk, and even some lightweight denim, and it produced consistent stitches across all materials. However, like many handheld machines, it did struggle a bit with very thick fabrics or multiple layers. The machine comes with a variety of accessories, including extra bobbins, needles, and a threader. I found the included instruction manual to be clear and helpful, especially for those who might be new to sewing. The threading process is straightforward, and I was able to get started quickly. Coming in at number 4 on our list is the VFD Handheld Sewing Machine. This portable device caught my eye with its sleek design and promise of being suitable for both beginners and more experienced sewers. After putting it through its paces, I can say it's a versatile option that offers a good balance of features and performance. The VFD Handheld Sewing Machine is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around or store in small spaces. It's battery operated, requiring 4-hour batteries, which gives you the freedom to use it anywhere. I found this particularly useful when I needed to make quick repairs while away from home. One of the standout features of this machine is its dual power option. In addition to battery power, it also comes with an AC/DC adapter. This flexibility is a big plus, allowing you to switch to outlet power for longer sewing sessions or when you're working at home. In terms of performance, the VFD Handheld Sewing Machine impressed me with its ability to handle a variety of fabrics. I tested it on everything from delicate silks to medium-weight cottons, and it produced consistent stitches across the board. It even managed to handle some lighter denim, though it did struggle a bit with multiple layers of thick fabric. The machine comes with 2 speed settings, which I found very useful. The lower speed is perfect for beginners or for more intricate work, while the higher speed allows for quicker sewing on straightforward projects. The transition between speeds is smooth, and the machine maintains good stitch quality at both settings. Taking the 3rd spot on our list is the Avoly Handheld Sewing Machine. This compact device caught my attention with its promise of being suitable for a wide range of sewing tasks. After thoroughly testing it, I can confidently say that it lives up to many of its claims and offers some unique features that set it apart from the competition. The Avoly Handheld Sewing Machine is impressively lightweight and portable, making it an excellent choice for those who need to sew on the go. It's battery operated, requiring 4-hour batteries, which gives you the flexibility to use it anywhere. I found this particularly useful during a recent camping trip where I needed to make some quick repairs to a tent. One of the standout features of this machine is its versatility. It comes with 2 different needle positions, allowing you to switch between flat sewing and cylindrical sewing. This feature really impressed me, as it allowed me to easily work on sleeves and pant legs, tasks that are often challenging with other handheld machines. In terms of performance, the Avoly Handheld Sewing Machine handles a wide variety of fabrics with ease. I tested it on everything from delicate silks to medium-weight cottons and even some lightweight denim. The stitch quality remained consistent across all materials, which is quite impressive for a handheld machine. However, like most devices in this category, it did struggle a bit with very thick fabrics or multiple layers. The machine comes with 2 speed settings, which I found to be a valuable feature. The lower speed is perfect for beginners or for more intricate work, while the higher speed allows for quicker sewing on straightforward projects. The transition between speeds is smooth, and the machine maintains good stitch quality at both settings. Coming in at number 2 on our list is the Snowvoice Handheld Sewing Machine. This compact powerhouse caught my eye with its sleek design and promise of professional-grade performance in a portable package. After extensive testing, I can confidently say that it lives up to its reputation and offers some impressive features that set it apart from the competition. The Snowvoice Handheld Sewing Machine is remarkably lightweight and compact, making it an ideal choice for those who need a portable sewing solution. It's battery operated, requiring 4-hour batteries, which gives you the freedom to sew anywhere, anytime. I found this particularly useful during a recent trip where I needed to make some last-minute alterations to an outfit. One of the standout features of this machine is its dual power option. In addition to battery power, it also comes with an AC/DC adapter. This flexibility is a significant advantage, allowing you to switch to outlet power for longer sewing sessions or when you're working at home. I appreciated this feature during a recent craft project that took several hours to complete. In terms of performance, the Snowvoice Handheld Sewing Machine truly shines. It handles a wide variety of fabrics with impressive ease. I tested it on everything from delicate silks and chiffons to heavier cottons and even some lightweight denim. The stitch quality remained consistently high across all materials, which is quite remarkable for a handheld machine. While it did struggle a bit with very thick fabrics or multiple layers, its performance exceeded my expectations for a device of this size. The machine comes with 2 speed settings, which I found to be incredibly useful. The lower speed is perfect for beginners or for more intricate work, while the higher speed allows for quicker sewing on straightforward projects. The transition between speeds is smooth, and the machine maintains excellent stitch quality at both settings. And now, drum roll please. We've reached number 1 on our list of the best handheld sewing machines. The top spot goes to the Brightlylit handheld sewing device. After extensive testing and comparison, this machine stood out as the clear winner, offering an unbeatable combination of performance, versatility, and user-friendly features. The Brightlylit handheld sewing device immediately impressed me with its sleek, ergonomic design. It's incredibly lightweight and compact, making it the perfect companion for sewers on the go. Despite its small size, it feels sturdy and well-built, giving me confidence in its durability. One of the most impressive features of the Brightlylit handheld sewing device is its triple power system. You can power it using R batteries, a USB cable, or an AC adapter. This versatility proved invaluable during my testing, as I could seamlessly switch between power sources depending on my location and needs. During a recent craft fair, I was able to switch to USB power when my batteries ran low, saving the day. The performance of this machine is truly exceptional. It handles an impressive range of fabrics with remarkable consistency. From delicate silk scarves to denim jeans, the stitching remains strong and even. What really sets it apart is its ability to handle multiple layers of fabric, something that most handheld machines struggle with. I successfully hemmed a winter coat with this device, which speaks volumes about its capabilities. The Brightlylit comes with an innovative tension control system that I found revolutionary for a handheld device. It features a dial with multiple settings, allowing for precise adjustments based on fabric type and thickness. This level of control resulted in professional-looking stitches that could easily be mistaken for those from a full-size machine. And there you have it, folks, our comprehensive review of the top 7 handheld sewing machines available today. Each of these machines has its own strengths, but the Brightlylit handheld sewing device stands out as the clear winner, offering the perfect blend of functionality, portability, and reliability. Remember, the best machine for you will depend on your specific needs, but you can't go wrong with any of these top picks. Happy sewing!